Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in and watching the Gibson Garage YouTube channel. I'm Alan and we've got another unboxing. I just did one, it's actually still the same day. I'm trying to pump out videos like crazy. But I needed a couple new tools to finish this exhaust system. So here's the second tool. The first one was that new chop saw. Check out that video. This one's the second one. It is a 6-inch wide belt, right, by 48 inches long. That's this part here, and 9-inch disc. Now they have a smaller one for a lot cheaper, but I wanted the big one because my whole idea, the only reason I want one this big is so I can put like headers. The whole flange would fit on this flat surface and I can give them a quick little whoosh, 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 because you know I like to buy those cheap ass headers. So let's get started. We're gonna see exactly how it looks as it's coming out of the box, not skipping a thing. And you can see how well or not well it is packaged. Directions right on top. So here's some product specifications here. You want to pause and check that out. Here's some other recommended minimum wire gauge for extension cords. Let's see, more standard safety stuff. All your labels, all your terminology, and then yeah, more terminology really, and identifying screw 28 stuff. Okay. So is this what I'm gonna use to put it together? I was really hoping for a lot more pictures. Oh man. There's a lot. How to adjust it. Adjust everything, I guess, but and then the exploded view of all the parts. Parts list. Let's see what's underneath. Okay. Okay. Belt. Part of the drive. We got some hardware, other part of the drive, some pulleys, or a pulley, some brackets here and there, and a pin, a large pin. Oh, with a big flat side. Okay. And there's the main machine. That looks heavy. Oh, I give up. Okay, there's a table. That's pretty neat looking. Looks pretty stout. There's a guide thingy. Yeah, I'm just procrastinating. I don't want to pull it out. Mistake. Not that bad. Just being a baby. And nothing else in here. There is another stand under the bottom of the phone. I was wrong. There is something else in here. get you in here. Ooh. Look at that. You can fit headers on that for sure. Small block headers anyways. I don't know about anything else. Nice and thick cord. There's where the pulleys are going to go there, I guess. Keyways are taped in. Ooh, very nice. Dang. So here's everything. I guess we're going to have to get into the instructions to see how everything goes together. Dang it. But you got brackets, more brackets, a belt, tools, guide thingy, pulley, that bigger bag of hardware turned into like 4 littler bags, chain belt guard, table, 2 sides which make the stand, of course the main unit here. There's some adjustability, a little lock tab. Nice, nice. This, I didn't realize, is actually going to be the disc for sanding. And then it came with that as well. So that's neat. And this is really rough stuff. What is it? I didn't even read. Was it 80 grit? Well, the biggest bag of hardware was actually just the rubber feet. So I went ahead and took care of those real quick. And then aside from this tiny little bag of 4 screws, which I don't know where it goes yet, there's just 2 other bags. One bag has these 4 large bolts, and the other bag has all these carriage bolts, which are going to be for most of the assembly with these square slots here. These do not have nuts, so I imagine these are going to get screwed in to something in the body. But for now, really the easiest part is just looking at the color pictures. Smaller brackets, the shorter brackets are going to go up top, and the larger ones are going to go on the bottom, so it gives it that taper. Got some instructions here, right? I mean, it doesn't look too difficult. 2 bolt holes line up with 2 bolt holes down there at the bottom of that leg. Well, there it is, the central machinery. Big sander. Sander on a stander. So what's pretty cool is you got this guard here, optional. You could just take it off or not. You got the vacuum the vacuum attachment here. That's pretty cool. This also, well, first this stand with this shaft. You can put this here for the round one, or you can move it over here to the side and, you know, remove this if you wanted to and use this round shape, or this stands straight up. This also stands up vertical with this table over here. So if you wanted to do something like that, they give you the option. And then height adjuster here if you wanted to put it at some other angle just so it was more comfortable, I guess. And then you got your belt adjusters. Yeah. And yeah, let's plug it in and see how it sounds. Right here should be fine, next to the explosive cans of gas. Oh, look, it's got one of these keys. I used to think these were so cool. The first time I saw this was on my dad's like table saw. Had a little Black & Decker table saw about this high. Real cheap stand and everything just like this. But it had one of these keys. And I used to think that was so cool. Well, you got a key to your power tools. That's so cool. So we'll put in the key. Here we go. Oh, fuck. That did not come on at all. That didn't spin at all. It locked up. Oh, why? Look at that. This was spinning. Uh-oh, did I do that? Why is this? This was spinning before. Okay, well, that's an issue. It's touching. Okay, so it spins now, and both actually spin really nicely without the belt on, but the belt was too tight, I think. So we're looking good, I think. We just gotta loosen up these bolts here. Well, I got a failure, guys. There's something inside of this that's really messed up. I mean, it was... You spin it this way, and it like clears up somehow. There's something chewed up. Okay, my fault. Put this pulley on backwards, and we were scraping up against that bolt head there, so the Allen keyed side, or whatever, needs to go on the inside. And then we're way far away. Look at that, spinning good. Let's get it back together. Aha, much better. This sits right back flush like it should. Almost flush, let's see here. Oh yeah! You can adjust the track here by... Yeah, a little noisy still on the back half of things, but whatever, it's a sander. And then, does it just stay? I think you tighten it with these bolts here. Well, yeah, the bottom one was loose, so yeah. Well, that's not really any tighter. Okay. Well, that's going to do it for the unboxing of the sander. Central Machinery 9-inch disc sander with a 6x48-inch belt sander. That's the nice one on the stand. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I do want to say thanks again to all my fans. I'm almost at the 3,000 subscribers. Woo! Let's see if we can get there, huh? Have a good one. Spin it this way, and stuff locks up. I don't know what's going on. And it's got to be a bearing inside here. It's just trashed.